Making money on Hard Rock Bet involves participating in sports betting and casino games. Here's how to get started and maximize your chances of earning. Sign up for an account. To get started, create an account on the Hard Rock Bet platform. Make sure to verify your details and complete any required KYC processes to ensure secure transactions. Explore sports betting. Hard Rock Bet offers a variety of sports to bet on, including football, basketball, baseball, and more. Study the teams, players, and matchups before placing your bets to improve your chances of success. You can place different types of bets, including straight bets, parlays, and futures, based on your knowledge and preferences. Casino games. In addition to sports betting, Hard Rock Bet provides a wide range of online casino games like slots, blackjack, and poker. These games offer chances to win by leveraging strategies and luck. Make sure to understand the rules and odds to maximize your chances of winning. Bonuses and promotions. Take advantage of bonuses and promotions offered by Hard Rock Bet, such as sign-up bonuses, free bets, or cashback offers. These promotions can boost your potential earnings. Bankroll management. Always manage your bankroll wisely to ensure you don't spend more than you can afford. Start with small bets and gradually increase them as you gain experience.